This article delves into the intersections between evolutionary biology, genetic science, and cosmic myth. By analyzing the unique evolutionary adaptations of armadillos and turtles, two distinct animals with fascinatingly different protective shells, we uncover how science and myth align in humankind's understanding of resilience and transformation. Additionally, we explore the concept of genetic hybridization as it appears in both scientific advancements and ancient narratives, reflecting humanity's drive to transcend natural boundaries. Finally, we examine the symbolic alchemy of harmony within the cosmos, merging physical adaptation with the metaphysical, to offer a holistic view that embraces both scientific fact and mystical possibility. Humanity's quest to understand the world encompasses both the measurable facts of science and the transcendent narratives of myth. Our explorations of nature, from the hard shells of armadillos and turtles to advanced genetic manipulation, reveal a consistent theme of resilience and transformation. In myth and science alike, we encounter stories and discoveries that echo universal archetypes, serving as a bridge between tangible phenomena and abstract, cosmic ideas. The connection between these disparate fields, biology, genetics, and mythology, has long been a subject of intrigue. While science offers factual understanding and theory, myths provide a metaphorical lens through which we can explore deeper truths about the human experience. In the case of animals like the armadillo and the turtle, their natural adaptations hold symbolic significance that goes beyond their biological function. Their shells, which provide both defense and survival, symbolize the human need for protection, transformation, and, ultimately, harmony. This article synthesizes the worlds of natural science and mythological storytelling, beginning with a comparison of armadillo and turtle shell adaptations. These creatures, with their differing evolutionary responses to environmental threats, embody nature's diverse methods of defense. From there, we explore genetic hybridization, both as a tool for scientific progress and a mythological symbol, alongside cosmic alchemical concepts that interpret the tides of existence as interconnected and transformative forces. The armadillo and the turtle serve as prime examples of evolution's capacity to create specialized protective structures. Each animal's shell provides defense, but their compositions and functionality illustrate different evolutionary approaches. The armadillo, native to the Americas, is easily recognized by its segmented, flexible armor. This protective covering is formed from dermal bone plates called osteoderms, which are covered in keratin, a tough protein that also composes human nails and hair. The armadillo's shell is an evolutionary response to the animal's environment, which requires both defense and agility to navigate varying terrain and evade predators. The segments of an armadillo's armor offer a unique balance between rigidity and mobility. Unlike the turtle's solid shell, the armadillo's segmented armor allows it to curl into a defensive ball when threatened. This ability, known as rolling, helps the armadillo protect its underbelly and escape threats with surprising speed. The flexible nature of its armor ensures that it does not become immobilized, providing the armadillo with the option to remain agile while still being protected from predators. This adaptability is an evolutionary response to the animal's environment, where it faces a variety of threats. The armadillo's unique armor is both a defense mechanism and a survival strategy, allowing it to thrive in habitats ranging from forests to grasslands and deserts. Unlike other animals with fixed shells, the armadillo's ability to roll into a ball is an example of how evolution favors flexibility. Its segments enable a defense strategy that combines protection with mobility, offering a glimpse into the evolutionary process of diversification and specialization that characterizes the animal kingdom. The turtle's shell, in contrast, is a solid, fused structure composed of modified ribs, vertebrae, and specialized bones covered in a layer of scuts made from keratin. This rigid, dome-like shell is fully integrated into the turtle's skeleton, providing robust protection that far surpasses that of the armadillo but limits its agility. The turtle's design favors longevity and defense over speed, offering a stable refuge against predators. This evolutionary strategy, which developed millions of years ago, has allowed turtles to survive in a variety of ecosystems, from oceans to deserts. Their shell structure emphasizes durability and serves as a biological fortress, protecting them from predators and environmental dangers. Unlike the armadillo, which can move quickly when threatened, the turtle's defense lies in its ability to withdraw into its shell, hiding from threats and relying on its immovable protection. Turtle species, such as the Galapagos tortoise, have become symbolic of longevity, with some individuals living over a century. Their shells provide a form of resilience that transcends individual lifespans, serving as both literal and symbolic representations of durability and endurance. The turtle's adaptation illustrates an evolutionary strategy that emphasizes defense over mobility, allowing it to survive in a variety of environments. The turtle's evolutionary success, through a robust shell structure, contrasts with the armadillo's segmented, flexible armor. Both animals have adapted to their environments in different ways, providing unique examples of how species respond to survival challenges in diverse ecosystems. The advent of genetic science has opened doors to understanding and potentially altering the very building blocks of life. Genetic hybridization, a concept historically relegated to mythology, now holds a place in scientific discourse. Myths across cultures have imagined beings with mixed traits from various species, embodying humanity's ancient curiosity about manipulating life itself. This section explores how modern genetics brings mythological hybridization into reality and discusses the ethical considerations that arise from such endeavors. In mythological narratives, the concept of merging human traits with those of other species reveals humanity's desire to transcend natural boundaries. One such story describes the Draco, a race of reptilian beings with genetic knowledge far beyond human capability. In this myth, the Draco spliced their own genes with those of humans, creating hybrids with traits from both species. This act symbolizes both the creative and destructive potentials of genetic science. Mythical characters like Abtu, a Draco figure involved in these hybridization experiments, embody themes of scientific overreach. Abtu's unrestrained use of genetic manipulation to create Draco-human hybrids illustrates the ethical dilemma of genetic engineering without moral consideration. This narrative resonates with contemporary discussions surrounding CRISPR technology, which allows scientists to edit genes with precision once deemed mythical. By reflecting on these stories, we are reminded of the profound responsibility that accompanies the power to alter life. Genetic engineering, once the domain of myth, is now a tangible science. Through advances in gene editing, scientists are beginning to explore hybridization within controlled boundaries. Techniques like CRISPR-Cas9 have made it possible to splice genes and create organisms with combined traits, echoing ancient myths. For instance, scientists have successfully introduced genes from one species into another to enhance disease resistance, growth, or adaptability. While we are far from creating complex hybrids like those in myth, genetic engineering has made it possible to blend traits in ways previously unimaginable. The ethical considerations of such work highlight the importance of mythology as a cautionary framework. Myths often explore the consequences of overreaching or manipulating nature, providing valuable insights for modern science as we explore the potential and limits of genetic technology. In the realm of medicine, hybridization is already a part of the human experience. From genetically modified crops to gene therapy for diseases like sickle cell anemia, the boundaries of genetic modification are expanding rapidly. These advancements hold the promise of curing genetic diseases, but they also raise ethical concerns about designer babies and the potential for unintended consequences. The intersection of mythology and modern science provides a useful context for understanding these complex issues. Moving beyond genetics, we find that alchemy and cosmic harmony serve as potent symbols for transformation and balance in the universe. Ancient alchemical texts describe a cosmic order where all elements interact harmoniously, embodying a principle of equilibrium that is crucial for both biological and metaphysical realms. Alchemy, often seen as the pursuit of turning base metals into gold, symbolizes a larger quest for transformation. In myth, alchemical processes represent an unfolding of cosmic order, where each element and life form contributes to a balanced whole. This transformative energy reflects the essence of biological processes, where each adaptation, such as the armadillo's or turtle's shell, serves a role within a broader ecosystem. Alchemical themes of transformation and harmony have parallels in scientific processes, such as natural selection and adaptation. Just as an alchemist seeks to refine substances, evolution refines species, shaping them to fit ecological roles. Through alchemy, we see the ancient understanding of balance, a balance science now recognizes as essential to both life and cosmic stability. The concept of cosmic harmony, akin to the idea of equilibrium in scientific terms, speaks to the balance that sustains all existence. Within myths, the cosmos operates like an intricate clock, governed by the tides of celestial forces. This vision of harmony emphasizes interdependence, much as ecosystems rely on balanced interactions among species. The tides of the cosmos are a metaphor for the cyclical nature of life and transformation. Just as tides shape shores, cosmic forces shape life, guiding evolutionary processes. These forces are not merely external, they influence every aspect of existence, from the genetic codes of organisms to the collective experiences of humanity. The harmony of these cosmic tides is a reflection of the larger interconnectedness that binds all life. In examining the shells of the armadillo and turtle, the ethics of genetic manipulation, and the cosmic alchemy of balance, we see that science and myth are not opposing forces but complementary perspectives. The armadillo and turtle represent nature's ability to adapt to its environment, while genetic engineering offers new possibilities for human intervention in the natural world. Alchemical concepts of transformation and harmony remind us of the cosmic context in which these biological and scientific forces play out.